Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this video, we are going to create an onboarding screen. So you can see that our onboarding screen will look like this. So let's get started with today's Android tutorial. So first of all, I had found one library for our onboarding screen. So let me tell you the implementation. So first of all, you have to click on the link that I will provide in the description link. So from there you have to first write implementation and then this dependency in your build.gradle file. So after adding this, you have to move to your Android Studio sync portion. So when you sync your project, you will get all the dependencies. So after we are going to work further, but before working further, I would like you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like and share this Android tutorial. Okay, so now let's move to the video. So first of all, in your own creates of your main activity or the onboarding activity where you want, so you have to create a paper onboarding engine. Then is engine is equal to new onboarding engine, find view by id. Here you have to give your id of your layout. So here you can see that our onboarding root view. Then you have to write get data for onboarding. This data will come from array list that we have created here, and then finally a context which is get application context. So after that we have to write engine.set on change listener, and here we are going to write a toast message. So when they will find some difference, then we will show the data change. Okay, so next we are going to create a on write out listener. So in this we are going to start our intent for which we want. So here we have to write the intent to logging screen or dashboard activity where you want to send the user. Okay, now here we are going to create array list for onboarding page. So here we are giving some random data. So here first we have paper onboarding page. So here we are going to write source is equal to new paper onboarding page. So first write the title, this title, description, image 1 and image 2. So here is title, description, its background color and both drawable. Okay, so by that way we have to create 2 or 3 screens. Then we have to prepare a array list, and then in that we have to write elements that we have to add. So elements dot add source 1, source 2 and source 3. Then we have to return our elements. So when you run this application, so it will look like this. But before, don't forget to write the internet permission in your Android menu first, because this will work only and only when you add the internet, and your application should be minimum of 15 level API or it's greater. So this is Ramotion dependency of paper onboarding, and you can also do the same thing with the fragments. Yes, if you want to design your custom fragment, so this is the first step that we have created here. Now let me show you the example for the fragments. So for fragment, so here is a fragment example. So when I click on that, so we will find the example for fragment. So here is a main and in that fragment. So here is blank fragment and fragment activity. So in fragment activity we will just write a paper onboarding fragment and new instance of get data for onboarding. Then fragment transaction begin, and then after we are going to move to blank fragment. So here you can see that all that stuff, and same thing with array list. So you can check out this link and do the same thing with your fragments also. So here is blank fragment where there is only a single line of code, and next there is all the transactions. So thanks for watching this Android tutorials, and if you learn something new in this Android tutorial, then please make sure you like and share this Android tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Android tutorials. And yes, remember one thing, that giving the proper credit is necessary, as you can read here. So if you are using our open source library in your project, then we have to give backlink to ramotion.com. Then only we can use this paper onboarding screen. So thanks for watching this Android tutorials.